Hey guys, so if you're wondering why is this window completely black, well, you will see that in there. But we're not going to look at that exactly yet. So, a few minutes ago, I literally was cooking something. That's all I was doing. But then it caught on fire. And it caused a lot of damage to the kitchen. So I'll show you that. Wouldn't cost too much, but I'm gonna need a new stove. Guys, you can see the curtain still works. I can still use it, but everything caught on fire. It's all black now. Everything's like all burnt crisps. So yeah, other than that, it didn't spread anywhere, but I wasn't too focused on the when I was cooking, so I accidentally set the kitchen on fire. So I had to go outside and call. So I had to go outside and call the emergency. So yeah, I'll see you in a new video. Bye guys.